Lenders, we start on the homepage of your new loan estimate quote. Get settlement fees and title insurance numbers in a very helpful loan estimate friendly format. Here we are, you have my information, and we're going to start off today on loan estimates. Get title and government fees in a TRID friendly format, and we're going to start off with a property location as always. And after we do that, we also have the option for a condo number. Below that, if applicable, we have a transaction type, whether that's purchasing with financing or refinancing. We're going to start off with financing. Then putting in a sales price and then moving on to a loan amount. Below that, we're also going to have additional transaction details. Who pays for title insurance? It can be the default for the state of Florida, or you can change that right there also. If you know the prior policy, something that Milestone Title Service is going to be looking out for you anyway, you can put that there. Also, you can change the endorsements to condominium, adjustable rate mortgages, and things like that. Always hit the calculate button, and that's going to take you to show you the title insurance fees. It's going to show you settlements, services you can shop for, and of course you're going to get a friendly reminder and PDF right into your email. You'll have the taxes and government fees, your other fees, adjustment, closing, and disclosures, and all the important information. You'll see you have edit, email, save, and print PDF. I always want to save my title estimate quotes, and we can put that in as whatever you would like, whether that's the purchase price, number, last name of the borrower, however it works best for you. And then you'll be complete. And always save. Don't forget that. We're going to go back to refinancing, and this is just going to ask for a loan amount and the prior policy liability amount, which again, Milestone Title Services will be checking for you. Any of your endorsements, if you need to make any adjustments there, and simply hit calculate. As you can see, very clean. It's going to break down all the estimates for your borrower and for yourself for the title estimate quotes. And then of course, you can forward this to members of your team or anybody you'd like to send it off to via email or send it off into a social network. And now, lenders, we're going back to the homepage to do buyer's estimates, always starting off with that important property location. And make sure to, again, check that drop down to make sure you have the proper address. You're going to have that condo if applicable. Choose our transaction type, or the cash or financing, and then the loan type, conventional, FHA, VA. Put in our sales price of $300,000 and our down payment. It'll automatically populate a percentage for you. And then you're going to put your loan amount. And the interest rate, we're going to give our borrowers a 3.75. Loan terms, 30, 20, 15, 10, or 5. You can adjust your loan term right there, and your closing date. Make sure you have a proper closing date. Additional transaction details, you can see who pays for title insurance, whether it's buyer, seller, but usually it's a default for the state of Florida. You can change your endorsements here and then go on to home insurance. We're going to guesstimate $1,200 for our borrowers. And again, you'll see the edit predefined values. You can always change these different values or different line items for your particular brokerage. Then we can go on to property taxes. These would be our annual property taxes that we're going to put in here. Real estate broker fees paid by the buyer if applicable. You can put your flat brokerage fee, and you can always change these. Again, keep that in mind. HOA dues, monthly, yearly, quarterly. You can put that in there, and then the monthly amount. Mine happens to be $3. Thank you very much. Did seller pay the current monthly dues? We'll put yes there, and then go on to our impounds. You're going to have homeowners insurance, monthly amounts, mortgage insurance, city town taxes. You're going to have all the taxes and school taxes that you can put in there, or again, edit the predefined values that you can determine that work best for you. So the appraisal, credit report, tax service, flood certificate, lender inspection fees, any of those applicable fees will be in here as well, and you can adjust them to your liking. And of course, we're going to look over our buyer's estimate here, then hit calculate, and we're going to be given a TRID friendly, awesome buyer's estimate. Very easy, breaks everything down. You're going to get a notification via email, show your down payments and all the particular fees. Then you can edit, email, save, and print PDF again. And of course, use this feature on the top right to be able to share this with your team members so that they can all have access to this information for their borrowers, quick, easy, and on the fly. And never forget that I am here for you as well at Milestone Title Services, Remarketing Ryan Owens. Just give me a call at any time, 813-727-4021. Thank you for using this app. If you have any more questions, please let me know. Feel free to share this on your Facebook, share this via the email share feature, and give me a call at any time. Do not hesitate. Talk to you soon, lenders.